Welcome back, children. So now we'll be working with the third web page. So let me get the title over here. My third web page. So in this class, I'll be teaching you how can we make any text bold, any text italic, underline any text. Then how can we break the line? Then how can we add a line? We can draw a line. So all these texts I'll be telling you in this particular class. So for example, I'm having this one paragraph over here. So in this program, as you can see that I have written two paragraphs over here in the body tag. This is the body tag, and in the body tag I have written this one paragraph, and this is the another paragraph. I save this file. Okay, I'll save this file as the third file since this is my third file. And I'll save this. Let's run this file. Okay, I got this third over here. Let's run this file and see how it is giving us the output. So as you can see over here, this is coming as one single paragraph, right? So when we have changed the lines over here, why it is not coming in the output? It's because since HTML is a markup language, markup means that you need to tell everything. That over here we'll have to change the line, over here we have to create a new paragraph. So for that you can just simply write it over here and then expect that the line will be changed. No, you have to tell properly that over here we have to change the line. So whenever we want to change the line, we use another tag that is given by HTML, and the name of the tag is br. So just look over here. I'll just simply write br over here. Simply write br. You can see BR stands for break rule. Rule stands for line. So when you are breaking the line, you are writing BR. So I'll save this and I'll just refresh this. See. Okay. So did you see this? We have changed our paragraph. Right. So you must have understood the work of BR. Whenever we want to change the line, we just use simple BR. We simply write BR over there and the line is changed. Maybe, for example, this was one thing, right? And I wanted to change line at few points, like I wanted to change line over here, so I'll simply write BR over here. I wanted to change line after this, so I'll simply write BR over here. I wanted to change line after this, so I'll simply write BR over here too, right? So let's just save this and let's see if it is how this output looks like. So I'll just look at this. The line has been changed for beauty, the line has been changed before GYS, the line has been changed before this. So three places I put the BR over there in the text, and all those three places we have been given new lines in our paragraph. Okay. So this was about the BR tag. Now sometimes we need to draw lines also. Like in MS Word also, when we are creating some document, we are drawing lines. Similarly, if you want to draw some line, so you can draw the line. And whenever we want to draw a line, we use another tag, and the name of the tag is HR. Let's just see, because we have changed the lines, so instead of changing the lines, let's just draw the lines over there, and let's just see how the output looks like. So we here having BR, so instead of BR, I'll write HR. Similarly here also BR is there, I'll write HR. And similarly BR is also here also, so I'll write HR. Okay, so let's just save this file also, and let's just run this file. Look at the output. Wherever we have put HR, we have got a line for the okay. So let's just add a line at last also. Let's do that. Let's just put some HR over here also. Yeah, so I have put HR over here. Now I have saved this file, and let's just refresh this file. Look at this. We have got a new line over here. So now we have studied the paragraph tag, the heading tags, the BR tag, and the HR tags. Now I told you something else also. I told you that if you want to make some line bold, if you want to underline some line, if you want to make italicize some line, then how are we going to do that? For that we have three different tags. The first tag is B, and for italic we have I, and for the underline we have U tag. Simple. For example, this is the first line, full stop, and I want that this line should come as bold. Okay, I want that this line should come as bold. So what I'll do simply, I'll start B from here, start the B tag here, and I'll close the B tag wherever I want the line should be bold. जहाँ तक अंडरलाइन कि मेरी जो लाइन है इतना टेक्स्ट मेरा बोल्ड है तो मैं उस टेक्स्ट से पहले भी लगा दूंगी और उस टेक्स्ट के बाद आई पुट स्लैश बी. ओके, सो दिस वी हैव written for B. Let's just save this. Save करने के लिए I'm pressing Control plus S. You can go over here and I'll click save. Okay. Now let me refresh this. Look at this. For L I have put the B and after Liqua I have closed the V tag. So you can see that this particular line is coming in bold. Similarly, I want to italicize some line. So for example, I want to italicize this particular line. Okay, this particular line should come in italic. So what I do, before this line I put the I tag. After this line, wherever it is finishing, I close the I tag. Okay, let's just save this. I'll save this file and now let's just refresh our output. Look at this. In our output, we are getting this line as italic. Okay. Third is underline. I want that. Let's make this third line underline. So for the underline, before this line, I'll put U, and after this line, जहाँ तक I want the underline should be there, I'll close the U tag. Save this. Let's just refresh this and see what is the output. In the output, we are getting that this is coming as underline. Okay. So here in this video, we have seen how to do italic, how to italicize some line, how to make some line bolder, how to underline some line, how to change the line, and how to draw a line. Let's meet in the next video.